Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to rename your Eufy Indoor Camera E220. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to open this Eufy security application, and here we can see the name of our camera, which is named here as a living room now. To change the name of this camera, we would need to tap on this three dots, then tap on the settings, and here scroll a bit to go in the general. And now you can see the name, which is living room, and you can rename it to something else. For example, I'm gonna rename it as Emily and add this red heart emoji. As you can see, special characters or emojis are not supported, so you cannot do this. Let's leave it like this. I'm gonna tap the save button and let's check the changes. And now it is named like Emily. You can also rename your home device. For this, just tap it, then go in the Manage Home, and here you can add another home nickname by typing in something else. For example, just leave it as Emily Home. And here you cannot use emojis either. They are simply unavailable. When you're done, just save the changes and let's check it. So here is my new name of the device. And that's it. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.